Wait, 1 second. So we're going to learn about how coastal regions, coastal plains are different from coastal ghats. Western coastal plain is different from western coastal ghat. Eastern coastal plain is different from eastern coastal ghat. Okay, 1 second. Here. Now when we study this, first of all we need to know. Chat pe kya aa raha hai? Voice not clear. Okay, guys, it can be your internet. Minus fine. Okay, so this whole boundary together forms 7,500 kilometers of coastline for India. What is coastline? What does coastline mean? Can you tell me what is the meaning of boundaries? But boundaries तो फिर पूरा India का boundary है ना? The boundaries that touch ocean. The boundaries that touch ocean. Okay? The boundary of India touched by ocean are known as coastlines. So India ka southern part is wholly touching the ocean. So we have a coastline cumulative of 7,500 kilometers. Okay. Now we move forward to understand what is the difference between western coastal plain and western ghat. Okay, so we look towards this side. When you will see here, there is a region green in color. This whole region is actually plains. It is not mountain. And just beside this region is what is known as Western Ghat, which are mountains. Okay. So this green region touching the ocean is plain. It is not a mountain. And it is called the Western Coastal Region. And just beside this Western Coastal Region, there are mountains called the Western Ghats. Okay. So we studied Western Ghats while we studied Deccan Plateau. Okay. And we are studying this green region right now while we are studying the coastal region, because that's the absolute boundary touching the oceans. Is this thing clear? How Western Ghat and Western coastal region is different. Amazing. Rest of you? Okay. If we now move towards east, little bit is good. Who is this 426? Can you change your name? Whoever wrote no. All right. We're going to move towards eastern. You will understand better. So I'm going to put a heart on one of the locations. Can you guess what is this called? What is this region on which I'm putting hearts called? This is in the eastern side. What is this region called? Eastern Ghat. Are you sure? Is it not? You can't see the hearts. The colored part, Shifa. Amazing, Aditya. So when where I'm putting stars, this blank region where I'm putting stars, what is this region called? Who is this person? I'm going to remove you. You've not even changed the name. Whoever this 426 is, I'm removing you. Please rename yourself and come back. And I will report you if next time. Okay. Eastern coastal plain is the star region because it directly after this comes the ocean, right? So this is the difference between western coastal plain, eastern coastal plain, and western ghats and eastern ghats. I hope this is more than clear to all of you and you can explain it to everybody, because this is something that even adults don't understand. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is study the comparison between western coastline and eastern coastline. So we are studying the comparison between, one second, this region, this green region of western coastline, and this blank region of eastern coastline. So we are studying the difference between their physiography. What do they look like? What is the difference? What is the commonality? All of that. Okay. So let's get into that. In the western coastline, it borders with the Arabian Sea, as we saw here. यहाँ पे western coast of India borders with the Arabian Sea. Eastern coast किससे border करता है? Can you tell me what is the border for eastern coast? If western coast is bordering Arabian Sea, eastern coast borders Bay of Bengal. Amazing. All right, great, right? Now we will understand what is their construction like. So western coast का जो region है वो बहुत ज़्यादा rocky है, and उधर की जो rivers हैं वो बहुत छोटी छोटी हैं. Okay, and because वो rivers बहुत छोटी हैं, they form something called estuaries and not deltas. So मतलब छोटे छोटे regions form करते हैं. Estuaries की complication में नहीं जाते, but if you really want to understand what estuaries are, I can teach you. But they are basically, unlike deltas, which are large land regions, estuaries are very, very small regions created by these rivers. Deltas we studied in the last class. Okay. But when we look at eastern coastal line, it is very gentle slope of land. It's very plain, like it's not that rocky. Because it is very plain, there are a lot of rivers on it. Okay. Because there are so many rivers, those rivers form deltas. Okay. So eastern coastline will have a lot of deltas. Okay, these deltas are formed as a result of deposits by rivers. As we studied about Bangladesh and West Bengal and how those deltas were formed in the last class. Similarly, eastern coastline also forms deltas through the rivers. And western coastline does not have rivers, so it cannot form deltas. It forms very, very small regions called estuaries. Is this clear? Not clear? Little bit clear? We are comparing only coastlines, very, very minute boundaries. Amazing. डेल्टा का मतलब मैंने समझाया था कि जो सारी रिवर्स होती हैं, जब वो पानी के साथ जा रही होती है, they carry a lot of sand as well. Those sands get sedimented or selected and they together form huge lands. I taught this in last class. Amazing. Shubham, what is not clear? Divya, estuaries basically means very, very small pieces of land. So deltas form larger lands, estuaries form very small pieces of land. Like, what detail mein nahi gayi hu main. I'm just telling you that they are very small pieces of land. If you still want details, I can get back to you on WhatsApp. Just send me a message. वेस्टर्न नहीं समझ आया. वेस्टर्न का बस ये है कि वो अरेबियन सी से टच करता है. सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट दिस जो रीजन है वो बहुत रॉकी है. बिकॉज इट्स वेरी रॉकी, इट्स नॉट प्लेन, देयर कैन नॉट बी रिवर्स ऑन इट, बिकॉज रिवर्स come only in the plain regions. Okay, and because it's rocky, it will have very choti rivers, and they form small, they collect small number of land because river nahi hai aur choti hai, so they are carrying less sand, so they'll collect small number of sand forming estuaries. Okay, and on the other side there are eastern side pe there are large rivers forming large huge land mass that are called deltas. Clear? Shubham, thoda sa better hua? Okay. All right, guys. We're going to move forward. Amazing. So we're going to move forward to understand Aryan, if you're coming now, that's not my fault. You can watch the video later on. You will be able to understand. Okay. Now, when we go into it in detail, we're going to learn about the island groups. Can you tell me which are the two main island groups in around India? In India, actually. Two main island groups in India. Arabian Sea is the island. Which is the island group in the Arabian Sea? What is that group called? Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. Amazing. So, in which sea is the Lakshadweep Island? लक्षद्वीप किस सी के अंदर है? अरेबियन सी और बे ऑफ बंगाल? अरेबियन सी. अमेजिंग. एंड इन बे ऑफ बंगाल कौन सा है? बे ऑफ बंगाल हैज व्हिच आइलैंड ग्रुप्स? Andaman and Nicobar. Amazing, right? So we have two island groups called Andaman and Nicobar and Arabian Sea. So first, when we read about Arabian Sea, we get to know that in Arabian Sea, the first group is called Lakshadweep Island. Most of these islands, Lakshadweep is a set of islands. It's not one island. It's a set of islands of small islands. They are very small. They don't have a lot of mountains and they are circular in nature. So they are छोटे-छोटे circles में islands बने हुए हैं लक्षद्वीप पे. Right? So circular को atoll भी बोलते हैं. Atoll is the fancy word for circular. Okay? This is Arabian Sea. But when we go to Bay of Bengal, we find Andaman and Nicobar Island, which are huge islands, and they are actually volcanic in nature. So they actually have a lot of volcanoes in Andaman and Nicobar. They have large hills. Okay? And there is one part of this island called the Barren Island, which has the only active volcano present in India at the moment. Okay? Which is present in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now, this Barren Island is present in Andaman. And when we look at Nicobar, Nicobar is very much like Lakshadweep Island because it is atoll in nature too. So all the islands inside Nicobar Islands, like the group of Nicobar Islands, are actually circular in nature. Okay? So Andaman and Nicobar is a group of islands, right? So Andaman Islands would be a group of islands, Nicobar Islands would be a group of islands, Lakshadweep Island would be a group of islands. What is the feature of Lakshadweep Island के जितने भी सारे छोटे-छोटे islands हैं? First of all, they are circular, they are very small, and they do not have a lot of mountains. But when we go to Bay of Bengal, we see two sets of islands. One is Andaman Islands, the second is Nicobar Islands. Andaman Islands, both of them have very volcanic islands. Both of them have huge mountains, huge hills. Okay. Third, they have this region called Barren Island, which is the only active volcano in India. Fourth, the Nicobar Islands also have a lot of circular islands inside them. My voice is coming. Is it coming? Not coming? Did you understand? The only volcano that erupts is the one on Barren Island. The only active volcano in India is the Barren Island. Amazing. So now we get into the exciting part of the class. We just have 15 minutes. We might get a little overtime. I hope that is fine. Would it be fine if we continue the class till like say 4:10? Would you all be okay? 4:10 तक अगर class करें तो चलेगा? Amazing. Okay, great. So now we're going to get into quiz time. And first of all, we will understand the rules of this quiz. This quiz will be very, very different from all the ones that we've done before. The quiz will have questions from the last class and today's class both. Okay, so you have to be super, super active. But we want one person. चलो एक एक करके बताती हूँ. सबसे पहले ये quiz होगा Zoom call पे. So this quiz will not happen on LC groups. It will happen on the call itself. There will be 3 rounds in the quiz. First would be direct questions, which will be for 10 marks each. So for each correct answer, the group will get 10 marks. Okay. The second question would be identifying the second round would be identifying the location. इसमें बेसिकली तुम्हें एक मैप दिया होगा, उस पे एक लोकेशन पे पॉइंट करा होगा, तुम्हें वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है. ठीक है. Third would be complicated questions, so that would have higher order thinking questions. So the first round is for 10 marks for every correct answer. Second round is for 15 marks for every correct answer. Third round is for 20 marks for every correct answer. Okay. Now, how will we do this? What we will do is, as soon as I stop explaining the rules, you will go back to your LC groups. Unmute the mic. Oh shit. एक second. All right. As soon as एक second. Sorry guys. As soon as Didi, I have some problem. Your voice is not clear. Is my voice clear to the rest of you? I think Aditya, it can be your internet. Okay. Okay. So what we will do is, I will give you exactly not 5 minutes, 3 minutes to go back to your LC WhatsApp group. And जितने भी लोग अभी Zoom call पे active हैं, तुम्हें अपने आप को 3 equal parts में divide करना है. ठीक है. कुछ लोगों को करना है direct answer के अंदर, कुछ लोग आएंगे round 2 में, कुछ लोग आएंगे round 3 में. तुम्हें मुझे वो नाम देने हैं, and then from those names I will at random select anybody from that group to answer a question. So for example, अगर हम हमारे एक ग्रुप में जैसे LC1 से 9 लोग यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है, तो उन 9 लोगों का 3 के हम 3 ग्रुप्स बना देंगे. तुम अपने LC में डिस्कस कर लो तुम्हें किसको किस ग्रुप में भेजना है, right? After that, what will happen is Didi will select any one person from those 3 person name जिनका तुमने मुझे नाम दिया है, उनमें से मैं किसी एक इंसान को पूछूंगी क्वेश्चन और वही इंसान सिर्फ आंसर कर सकता है. And that person will be answering on the Zoom call chat. Okay. You will submit all the names to me before we start the quiz. So you will submit all the names to me before we start the quiz, and you can discuss who will go for which round in your LC groups. Okay. And everybody has to be a part of one group at least. Okay. At least नहीं one group का ही part होना है हर इंसान को. उसके बाद we need one scorekeeper. So somebody who did not attend the class last week, Amit Chauhan, do you want to be the scorekeeper? Amit Chauhan. So you will keep a pen and paper with you. For the first round, LC1, LC2, LC3 करके रखो. First round के अंदर 10 marks देने हैं for every correct answer. Second round में 15 marks. Third round में 20 marks. और तुम्हारे ऊपर है लास्ट में तुम कैलकुलेट करके बताओगे एक्चुअली क्विज जीता कौन. Did everybody understand? Your 3 minutes to decide in which part who will go start now. So you have to go to your WhatsApp group and decide कि कौन किस में क्या करेगा. Start guys. Go back to your WhatsApp group fast. It's 3:48. We will come back at 3:51. LC3, your guys are not active at all. Decide fast. See, LC2 is doing an amazing thing. They have actually asked कि कौन-कौन इस वक्त Zoom call पे है ताकि वो लोग decision ले पाएं. LC1, LC3, what are you guys doing? Only Karan is active. Guys, get active. LC3 only LC2 is actively participating. LC3 is talking personally. Where are you talking, LC3? I can't see on the group chat. Please write on the group chat. There is Abhishek, Amit, Muskan, Nidhi, Pooja, Pradeep, Pradum. Please divide. Tanisha, उमेहानी नहीं है, तनीषा है, सूरज है, प्रेम नहीं है. Guys, start working. Only Karan Khairwar is active on LC1. Can rest of you get active fast? Ankit, Nazia, Khushi, Sanya, Shiva. Guys, divide fast. Yes, Amit, I will give the right answer. So you will get to know who will get marks or not. Okay, LC2 is already on their decision almost. Can we see LC1 and 3 getting active? Where is LC1 and LC3? What are you guys doing? Divide yourself fast. What is happening? Can you tell me? Can somebody tell me what is happening in LC3? Nobody is responding. Tanisha, can you tell me what is happening in LC3? The rest of all the groups are active. Okay, I'm just extending the time till 3:55. Decide fast, guys. One second, guys. LC3, where are you all? Okay. Personally, chat is going on. Who is going in which round and all. Okay, Tanisha. But personally क्यों कर रहे हो? सब लोग ग्रुप पे कर रहे हैं, मुझे भी तो दिखना चाहिए. All right, guys. In 2 minutes, I will ask for the final names, and everybody should be included. In 2 minutes, I will ask for the final names. No one is active. Why is that happening? Only LC3 is the most inactive one. Done, Ajit. Amazing. Ajit, can you write? Tanisha, can you tell me who all are there in LC3 who are participants right now? Nidhi, Tanisha, where is your group? From LC3 कौन है Zoom call पे? Okay, I'm getting excited. अजीत 1 second, wait. अजीत, can you tell me for the whole group, तुम्हारे पूरे ग्रुप में राउंड 1 में कौन आ रहा है, राउंड 2 में कौन आ रहा है, राउंड 3 में कौन आ रहा है? टेल, अच्छे से एक ही बार में टाइप करके भेजो. Ajit and Rakhi are in group 2. Shehbaz and Aryan in group 1. Lakshmi and Mahima in group 3. Amazing. And what about LC1? LC1 reply. Final names. Ankit, can you message me the final names from LC1? And LC3 का इधर कौन कौन है? Tanisha is there, Nidhi is there, who else is there? You cannot stay inactive. Okay. Ankit. All right, everybody get back to the Zoom call. Nidhi and you, Tanisha, only two of you are there in else from LC3. There's nobody else. How is that possible? Wait. Amit Yadav is from your LC. Pooja is from your LC. Pradeep is from your LC. Pradum is from your LC. Sufia is from your LC. So where were you all, guys? Why was the discussion not happening? Okay, so who else? Okay, Nidhi is there. Tanisha is there. Sufia is there. Abhishek P is there. Can you all right now decide who is going for which round? Just decide here. I'm all right, guys. Time up. Everybody come back to Zoom call. All right. Okay, guys. So from LC1, LC2, LC3, can you give me names now? LC3, LC2, first give me your names. Write your names here for round 1, 2, and 3. Aryan, Shehbaz, group 1, Ajit, Rakhi, group 2, Lakshmi and Mahima, group 3. Amazing. LC number 1. LC1, give me your names. LC1, give me your names. Ankit. Stop it, Shehbaz. LC1, can you give me your names? You have to start fast. Ankit, can you write the names? Stop it, Shehbaz. Karan, Saurabh and you in round 3 और round 1 और round 2 में कौन? Don't do that. Karan. अंकित at random बता दो फिर. Karan, stop sending that to me privately. First round, Tanisha, for LC. Okay. Shiva and Nazia. All right, I'm going to write it here, guys. Shiva, Nazia is LC 2. No, LC 1. LC 3 is Nidhi and Tanisha is LC 3. LC 2 is फर्स्ट राउंड में कौन कौन है LC 2 में से? वेट, अजीत एंड राखी. और राउंड 2 में कौन कौन है? राउंड 2 में सब अपने अपने राउंड 2 के बताओ नाम. Shehbaz, control yourself. You are in a classroom. You don't understand that at all. I'm going to remove you like this. राउंड 2 में सब लोग अपने अपने ग्रुप से बताओ. LC 1, LC 2, LC 3. Shiva, which group are you in? अंकित और सान्या और Karan. Ankit, Sanya and Karan are in round 2. Guys, don't confuse. Aryan, control. Okay, Sanya and Karan are in round 2. From group LC number which? नाजिया, ये कौन सा LC है? एक सेकेंड. LC 1. LC 2 में से कौन कौन है? अजीत एंड राखी. Ajit and Rakhi, you were in the first round also. Acha, Shehbaz and Aryan were in the first round. Ajit and Rakhi are in the second. Okay. और LC 3 में से कौन है? LC 3 निधि, तनीषा. Can you tell me LC 3 से कौन आ रहा है? सूफिया. Great. LC 3. Round 3 में कौन है? Round 3 के names. Ankit, Saurabh, Shiva. Round 3 from LC 1. Okay. LC 2 से नाजिया, करण और सान्या, महिमा, लक्ष्मी from LC 2. LC 3 से कौन कौन है? नाजिया, करण and Sanya from LC 3. All right guys, done. नाजिया, कौन से LC से हो तुम? ओके गाइज, अब कंफ्यूजन छोड़ो, अब AC के साथ चलेंगे, ठीक है? नाजिया, Nazia is in LC 1. Ankit, Saurabh, Shiva are in LC 3. LC 1. Then Ankit कहाँ पे है? अंकित, सौरभ, शिवा किस चीज के लिए आ रहे हैं फिर? Okay, guys, let's stop the confusion. I will at random select people, okay, from different LCs. All right. Nidhi, can you tell me तुम्हारे सिर्फ थर्ड राउंड का बताओ. One final time I'm asking you, okay? One final time and we'll get done with this. I will unmute one person who will tell me. लक्ष्मी, राउंड 1 के लिए कौन आ रहा है? Lakshmi, unmute yourself and tell me. हाँ.
Aryan.
Aryan and
Shehbaz.
Okay. और अभी LC2 से LC1 से I will unmute Ankit. Ankit, tell me LC1 से कौन आ रहा है? Ankit, I've unmuted you.
सौरभ शिवा में.
Saurabh,
शिवा.
Shiva, and you for round 1.
नहीं 3.
1 के लिए बताओ.
नाजिया
हाँ.
और सानिया.
Okay. Okay, amazing. और Tanisha, I'm unmuting you. Tanisha, round 1 में कौन आ रहा है?
Nidhi and I.
Nidhi and you. Okay, amazing. All right, guys. So we're going to start with the first round now. अभी सब लोग रिस्पॉन्स करना ग्रुप चैट पे बंद कर दो. अमित, get ready. First question is for Shehbaz. The first question is for Shehbaz from LC2. The first question is, what is the definition of physiography? I'm going to unmute you, Shehbaz. Shehbaz है ही नहीं है, कहाँ है वो? ये रहा अरबाज खान. Shehbaz, what is the definition of physiography? सारे participants unmute हो गए. Shehbaz, what is the definition of physiography? Tell me. You have 10 seconds. Aryan, you can also answer. All right. You have 10 seconds. You can either tell me or... Aryan? Shehbaz?
Didi, photographs that change the rock और
फिजियोग्राफी में कौन से 2 वर्ड्स आते हैं ये बताओ.
countable and uncountable.
अच्छा, और आप ये बताओ, फिजियोग्राफी की डेफिनेशन आता है? 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होती है डेफिनेशन. नहीं आता?
No.
It's okay. 0 marks for LC2, Amit. The answer was physical geography and we study nature. Amazing. All right, guys, we're going to move on to the next question. This question will be for LC3. Nidhi and Tanisha can answer this question. Okay. How many main physical features are there in India? Name them. Write on the chat, Nidhi and Tanisha. Only Nidhi and Tanisha can answer. 5. Amazing. Which? Name them, Nidhi. Which are the physical features? Nidhi, Tanisha, both of you can name them. You have 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. Start typing, Nidhi. Which are the physical features? 5, 4. Okay, mountains, northern plains, peninsula plateau, coastal areas, islands. Amazing. Amit, give LC 3 plus 10. All right. Now from LC 1, we have Nazia and Sanya. You both can answer this. Answer on chat, okay? Only Nazia and Sanya can answer the next question. Name 2 states that lie in the west of Aravali Hills in the northern plains. Nazia and Sanya, you can answer this question. Name 2 states that lie on the west of Aravali Hills in the northern plains. Only Nazia and Sanya. I'm giving you 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6. Nazia, Sanya. Where are you guys? Sanya, I've unmuted you. Name 2 states that lie in the west of northern plains. Aravali Hills mein. West of Aravali Hills in northern plains. Sanya, do you know the answer? Huh? Sanya? States, Nazia, states. अरावली हिल के वेस्ट साइड पर नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में पड़ा था. स्टेट्स बतानी है. इंडिया की स्टेट्स वेस्ट ऑफ अरावली हिल्स. One more chance, last chance. Tell me. Nazia, I'm unmuting you, okay? Nazia, tell me. Aravali Hills is in India, guys. We have to tell the 2 states. Nahi aata answer, I think. Wait. Nazia, have you told? Okay, it's wrong answer, guys. Sorry. Giving you too many chances. Does anybody like? Would anybody else like to try? West of Aravali Hills? Tell me. Rajasthan and Punjab. Amazing. So this was the answer. Your group does not get any marks. I'm sorry. 0 for LC1. Akash, कौन से group में है? Okay. Next question for LC2 again. Stop, guys. Stop. LC2 से अभी बात कर रहे हैं. Aryan and who is it? Aryan and one second, guys. Sorry, मैं थोड़ा confuse हो गई हूँ. Aryan and Shehbaz. Okay, stop. All right. अभी round 2 start नहीं हुआ है. अभी round 1 ही चल रहा है. अमित. Round 1 का second question. Aryan and Shehbaz, this question is for you. Name 2 main rivers on the east of Aravali Hills. Aryan, 2 main rivers on the east of Aravali Hills. I'm going to unmute you. Aryan, can you tell me? Aryan, unmute yourself and tell me 2 main rivers on the east of Aravali Hills. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Shehbaz, you can also answer. 7, 6. 2 questions, Amit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. 0. Answer, guys. Baki rest of you can answer. Two rivers on the east of Aravali Hills, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Amazing, Nidhi. Right. कुछ याद नहीं है क्या guys? भूल गए हो? All right, stop. We'll go to the next question. The next question is for LC3. Nazia and Sania are answering, right? Who is answering from LC3? Then who's answering, Tanisha? You and Nidhi. Okay, got it. Next question is for LC3. Which is the main delta in the northern plains? Can you name the main delta in the northern plains? Tanisha and Nidhi. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Tanisha, main delta in northern plains. You and Nidhi are answering. 4. Come on. Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. Amazing, Nidhi. Plus 10 for your group. Amit, give plus 10 to LC3. Okay. Great. Now we move on to LC1. Nazia and Sanya. Define peninsula. You can do this. Abhi samjhaya hai. I am going to unmute you, okay? Nazia, unmute yourself. Define peninsula.
Peninsula.
Yes.
Peninsula is surrounded by water.
Water on how many sides?
3 sides.
And on the fourth side, what is there?
Northern plains.
Amazing. So 10 points for LC. What is your LC number? 1, right?
1, yes.
Amazing, amazing. So 10 points for LC number 1. Now we move on to the second round. You have to identify the location from LC1. Who is coming? From LC1, who is coming? Please write. LC1 से कौन आ रहा है? LC2 से कौन आ रहा है और LC3 से कौन आ रहा है? Ajit and Rakhi from LC2. From LC1? LC1 से Karan. Okay, Karan and who else? Karan and Ankit. All right, Ankit अभी भेज रहे हो? ठीक है, बढ़िया. और LC3 से Nidhi and Sufia. Amazing. All right, guys. Where is Amit Yadav? Why is he not participating? Akash, why are you not participating? All right, guys. So we'll move. Tanisha, is there? Why are we repeating? Nidhi, is there nobody else? Okay. Akash, you speak with LC3. Akash, you are with LC3, okay? Please write on the chat if you understood. आकाश, तुम LC3 से. Okay, amazing. अच्छा, नेट इशू है. Okay, no problem. Chalo. Then we'll have Aditya Vishwakarma. Can you speak with LC3? Aditya Vishwakarma. All right, amazing. So Aditya and Sufia will go from LC3. Amazing. So first question is for LC1, which is Karan and Ankit. Here comes the first question. You have to identify the location. So for this, you have to identify. I'm going to tell you the question. Wait 1 second. 1 second, guys. Okay, so the question is, which is the state from where Himalayas start extending towards the east? Which is the location from where Himalayas start extending towards the east? Palmer Knot. Amazing, Ankit. The second half of the question is, what is the extent of Himalayas in India? From where till where do Himalayas lie in India? Shiva, you are not supposed to answer. This is a question for Ankit. Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Amazing. So, plus 15 points for LC1. Plus 15 for LC1. Now we move on to LC2. Okay? LC2 is answering the next question. You have to name these three parallel ranges LC2. LC2, you have to name the three parallel ranges. Ajit and Rakhi. Stop. Ajit and Rakhi. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 1, 2 और 3 का नाम बताना है. 7, 6. Ajit, I'm going to unmute you, okay? Wait.
Can I
Ajit,
speak?
yes, you can. Tell me. Who is this, Aryan?
Yes.
Okay, chalo, bolo.
Greater Himalayas,
Yes,
Himadri Lesser,
yes.
Sivilinks.
Shivaliks, amazing. Good job, Aryan. Because he belongs to LC2, but he was not the member, we're going to give plus 10 to LC2. Okay? Amit, write plus 10 for LC2. Shubham, तुम्हारा chance नहीं था. Next question. Next question is for LC3. Who is answering? Are you here? Say yes on group chat. All right, Aditya is here. Who else was there? Aditya and Sufia. Sufia is here. हाँ, Sufia है chat पे. All right, amazing. Next question is coming to you. You have to name the 5 states lying on the northern plain. Write the name of the 5 states lying on the northern plain. You get 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Only Sufia and Aditya. 5 states lying on the northern plains. 8, 7, 6. Come on, guys. नॉर्दर्न प्लेन की 5 स्टेट्स के नाम लिखने हैं. मैप से देखो. 5. Aditya, I will unmute you. This is an easy question. Sufia, I'm unmuting you, okay? Sufia, answer.
कश्मीर.
On the northern plains. ध्यान से देखो. नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स पे कौन सी रहती है? Try again. Tell me, Sufia, no more time to waste. Tell me any 5 states. Aditya, you can type on chat if you know the answer. Sophia, do you know the answer? Punjab, amazing. Which else? One, Punjab, UP, more. राजस्थान, असम, पंजाब, यूपी, 4 हो गई. एक और बताओ गाइस. एक और, वन मोर. दिल्ली बोल दो यार, दिल्ली बोल दो. +10 फॉर योर ग्रुप. यू टुक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. दिल्ली तो मैंने बता दिया ना, अब तुम्हें वो काउंट नहीं होगा. ओके, +10 फॉर योर ग्रुप. Amit, please give this group +10. This was LC 3. Okay. Now next question to LC 1. LC 1 से कोई भी बोलना. हाँ, LC 1 से कौन है यहाँ पे? करण है और अंकित है. Okay. LC 1, your question is, which are the vertical names for Himalayas in India? What are the three क्या है question? हाँ. What is the vertical division of Himalayas in India? मैप पे देख के बताओ. जो 3 वर्टिकल डिवीजन है, 4 भी हो सकती है. 3 पे फुल मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. वर्टिकल डिवीजन ऑफ हिमालयाज. अंकित, कम ऑन. काराकोरम, वेस्टर्न, ईस्टर्न एंड कुमाऊं. मतलब थोड़ा सा गलत है. काराकोरम, वेस्टर्न, ईस्टर्न एंड सेंट्रल था. Okay, so it's Karakoram, then comes Western, then comes Central, then comes Eastern. All right, almost close. So we'll give +15. So the answer is Karakoram, Western, Central, Eastern. They were also called Kashmir, Kumaon and Assam. All right, so +15 for this group. This was LC1. LC2, your question is identify the mountains which are black in color. ये जो black 3 labels है, इनको identify करो. इनके क्या कौन-कौन से mountains के नाम है ये? LC2. Who is answering? Ajit is answering. Who else is answering? LC2 से whoever wants to answer can answer. Okay, just answer. Rakhi, she is not here. I think I feel like she's not here. Wait, Vindhya. Okay, Rakhi is here. Amazing. Rakhi, Vindhya is not the correct answer. Look for only the names of these 3 mountain ranges जो black in color है. इन 3 के नाम बोलने हैं. एक ऊपर है साइड में और 2 यहाँ पे हैं. इन दोनों के नाम तो बहुत इजी है. Come on, Rakhi. Ajit, you can also answer. Tell me. No, Lakshmi, you cannot. Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat. Amazing, Rakhi. Which else? ऊपर वाला? Aravali. Amazing. All right. 15 marks. Guys, please, rest of you don't answer, okay? 15 marks for LC2. LC3. Name the 2 mountains placed here. LC3. Name the 2 mountains placed here, which are there in the image, just in the center of India. Which are the 2 mountains? We did today itself. Aditya and who else is answering? Vindhya and Satpura. Shubham, you're not supposed to answer. Shubham, you're not supposed to answer. Aditya? No, you're not supposed to answer. Your name is not there. अभी किसका था? LC3 का था. Vindhya and Satpura. Exactly. Aditya देख के करा या खुद से करा? चलो +15 दे देते, चलेगा. ठीक है? थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है गाइस, फर्स्ट टाइम हम ऐसे क्विज कर रहे हैं, बट दिस विल बिकम बेटर, ट्रस्ट मी. नाउ कितने हो गए? सबके दो दो क्वेश्चन हो गए. Every LC has gotten 2 questions. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. All right. Everybody has got 2 questions, so we'll move forward. We'll go to complex question now. LC1 से कौन आंसर कर रहा है? LC1. Who will answer from LC1? Amit, give 20 marks, okay, for this one. LC1 से who is answering, guys? Ankit and Saurabh. Okay. Okay. Great. अंकित, तो पहले जो 2 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे दोनों तुम ही आंसर करना. अभी नहीं, एक्चुअली ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर करना. अंकित एंड सौरभ, आंसर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Differentiate between 2 main island groups of India. I'm going to unmute you. Saurabh. Saurabh. अंकित कहाँ है? ये रहा. Ankit, differentiate between the 2 main island groups of India.
2 main island group of India are Andaman and Nicobar, which are on the side of boundary of on the river of side of river Bay of Bengal,
Yes.
and another is Lakshadweep,
Yes.
which is towards Arabian Sea.
Yes.
Lakshadweep is circular volcano mountains,
Yes.
and Andaman and Nicobar are volcanic mountains,
Yes.
and Barren is the only mountain in India which is always active.
Amazing.
And Nicobar are circular mountains, have group of circular mountains.
Amazing. Good job. So we'll give plus 20 to LC1. This was a tough question. Really good job, Ankit. Let's go to the next question. This question will be answered by Mahima and Lakshmi. I'm going to unmute you. Differentiate between western and eastern coastline. I'm unmuting Lakshmi. All right, Lakshmi, you're unmute. Mahima also are unmute if you don't answer. Lakshmi, answer.
For the western coastline, it's in border of Arabian Sea, and
Yes.
of eastern coastline, it is in the border of Bay of Bengal.
Yes.
And eastern coastline, it is a very rocky coast, like rock side and stones and all.
Amazing.
And from eastern coastline, it is it is a slope. And from the western coastline, there are very short rivers, and
Yes.
there are very short rivers, and the smaller part of deltas are formed there. And in the eastern coastline, larger deltas form, and there are more rivers.
Amazing, Lakshmi. So you get plus
And there
20.
is also sand.
Sand. Amazing, Aryan. Good job. So plus 20 for this group. Now we move on to LC3. Who is answering from LC3? Who is answering from LC3? Tanisha, can you tell me who's answering from your group? Okay, is Divya here? Divya was here, right? Tanisha has already answered. Let's see if Divya is here. Divya, you answer for this group. And who else has not answered? Wait, let's see. Okay. Divya will be answering for your group. Okay, guys, is that okay? Tanisha, is that okay if Divya answers? All right, great. So, Divya, I'm going to unmute you. All right. Divya, your question is differentiate between Peninsula and Deccan Plateau.
Hello.
Yes, Divya. Differentiate between peninsula and Deccan Plateau.
Peninsula is the form of a land which is surrounded by rivers at its three sides.
Yes, amazing.
Deccan Plateau is a plateau which is made up of or surrounded by the mountains at its two sides.
Amazing. All right. Mountains at how many sides?
At its two sides, which is
Deccan
the
Plateau.
Western Ghat and the yeah,
Are you sure? Only two sides, mountains. Think about it.
and 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 the mountain which the ranges which come from the north, that is the I think the Vindhyas and Satpura ranges that come from the north.
All right. Amazing. Good job. And can you tell me if peninsula is a part of Deccan Plateau or Deccan Plateau is a part of peninsula?
Deccan Plateau is a part of peninsula.
All right. Good job. So 20 points for your group, which is for now LC 3, right? Okay. Now we're going back to LC 1. Last questions, guys. Ankit, are you ready? Saurabh, Ankit. सौरभ तुमने तो बिल्कुल आंसर ही नहीं किया है सौरभ अंकित ओके ऑलराइट सो दिस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम LC1 एनीबडी कैन आंसर ओके कोई भी LC1 से आंसर कर सकता है इस क्वेश्चन को बट यू हैव टू बिलोंग टू LC1 ऑलराइट व्हाट इज द सेकंड नेम फॉर गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र डेल्टा व्हाट इज द सेकंड नेम फॉर गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र डेल्टा यू गेट 10 seconds anyone can answer 10 सिर्फ LC1 से anyone can answer 9 8 second name for Ganga Brahmaputra Delta 7 6 5 Sundarbans amazing Saurabh so you get plus 20 so LC1 gets plus 20 Amit next question for LC2 anyone from LC2 can answer which river deposits creates the western part of northern plains नॉर्दर्न प्लेन का वेस्टर्न पार्ट मतलब पंजाब और राजस्थान इस एरिया को कौन सी रिवर के डिपॉजिट्स क्रिएट करते हैं कौन सी रिवर कम ऑन यस शुभम आई विल टेल मी 10 9 Lakshmi this is answer for you Lakshmi Mahima which river deposits create western part of northern plains 7 Ganga is not the right answer 6 Ganga is towards the eastern side of Aravali western side pe dekho 5 4 take a guess 3 it's not Ganga it's not Brahmaputra no it's not Brahmaputra though that's eastern side western side of Aravali hills 2 1 0 okay anybody who knows this answer anybody can you type does anybody know this answer Satluj amazing Lakshmi you were very late but it was Satluj the answer was Satluj we did this in the last time west side of Aravali hills have Punjab and Rajasthan Satluj flows through Punjab point nahi milega Lakshmi time was up I'm sorry but we can give you plus 10 Amit give LC2 plus 10 okay LC3 your last question for the quiz is this which are the two main regions that form the Sundarban Delta which are the two main regions that form the Sundarban Delta anyone from LC3 can answer 10 9 8 7 2 main regions that form Sundarban Delta. 6 जिनसे वो पूरी रिवर्स निकलती थी, वो 2 regions का क्या नाम है? One is, clue भी दे रही हूँ, one is in India, one is not in India. 5 4 Come on, guys, come on. These were important questions. 3 West Bengal and Bangladesh. Amazing job, Ankit, but you do not belong to this group, do you? You don't belong to LC3. Oh shit. Okay, Tanisha, we'll give you another question. It's fine. Ankit has already answered it. It was West Bengal and Bangladesh. I'll give you another question, okay? I'll give you an identify question. Only LC3 answer, right? LC3, name any 3 states lying on the eastern coastal plain. You'll get 10 seconds to answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Tanisha, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन पे कौन से 3 स्टेट्स हैं? निधि. 4, आंध्र प्रदेश, ओडिशा. 1 more. 3, 2, 1. All right, Tamil Nadu. Amazing, Nidhi. So you guys get plus 20 as well. Thank you so much for engaging. We got really late. This was a 2-hour session. It was really long. I'm so sorry, guys. But Amit will tell us the final results on group chats. Or Amit, can you tell us now? I'm just going to unmute you. Amit, I'm unmuting you. But thank you so much for staying. This is almost a 2-hour long class. Oh my God, I'm going to get more prepared from now on. I hope you all enjoyed and had fun doing the quiz. Amit, can you tell us the final score? Amit. Okay, I'm going to call him and I will release the final score on our group chats. Thank you so much for... Are you here, Amit? Okay, he's not telling the final score. Oh my God. I will call
Amit,
him.
what is the final score?
Ha, tell. Who is this? Aryan?
Yes.
Tell me the final scores, Aryan. How do you know? Have you written? Okay, guys, I'll ask Amit to give me the final scores. I'll call him up and get that on our chat, okay? Thank you so much for engaging. This was a really long class, but I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to unmute you all so that we can say bye to each other and tell you the final result on group chat. Bye, guys. I'll just call Amit up and figure out the final score. Final score is 85 and belongs to LC3. Amazing. LC3 wins this challenge. Congratulations, LC3. And what is the final score, Amit, for LC2 and 1? Amit, tell the final scores for LC2 and LC1. Oh God. Okay. I'll ask Amit to send this on without further ado. We got really late. We were supposed to stop at 4:10, guys. So thank you so much for... do you want to stay and know the results? Okay, let's stay and know the results actually. Okay, great. Let's just stay. If you all can switch on your videos, I would really love to see you all. Did you enjoy today? I did too much effort in making this quiz. We will be more structured from next time. Amit, final score batao. Amazing. You know, there's this person called Daku Mangal Singh who wants to join our class. What do the kids do? I'm going to try unmuting Amit and see if you want to leave, guys, then you can leave, okay? Acha, you sent on WhatsApp. Let me see. एक second. Amit, can you tell me here? People are waiting. Okay. For LC2, it's 55. For LC1, you just missed. It was 80. So 85 के साथ LC3 wins. LC3 85, LC2 55, LC1 80. So second is LC1, third is LC2. No worries, guys. Better luck next time. It was really good to see all of you. Amit has sent the group. I will send it on the group. He sent all the scores. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, guys. Only 5 marks. Yes, Nazia. But next time. There's always a next time. Bye, guys. Bye, Karan. Ajay, ab aa rahe ho tum? Bye. This was a 2-hour class, guys. Bye-bye. Hi, Ajay. If you've just come to say hi and bye.